Hello my friends, this is the video that I made on NBIS 11 days ago, to be exact on July the 9th of this year, when the price of this asset was, as you can see right here, at $216.48 at regular hours and at $220.76 at overnight hours. And at this point, my main assumption was that as long as this bottom holds at roughly $183, we might expect this movement to the upside. That will be the beginning of new uptrend that will land at much higher price targets. But if this bottom breaks, we might have another small leg to the downside just to grab the liquidity, and then we might have another leg to the upside that will be this movement to the upside. And guys, take a look right here. This is the actual price action of NBIS. And I made my previous video when this asset was at this point, and since I made it, this asset, wait a second, I will show you in details, had a sideways movement. It didn't continue its movement to the upside. Instead of this, it went lower, it broke this bottom, and guys, take a look right here, it broke it and immediately bounced back. It happened within just overnight hours, and for now we are hovering again above $183. And as you can see, technical analysis works perfectly well. And if you want to know more about technical analysis, if you want to enhance your trading skills, feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel and join my Patreon account. And guys, this is the post that I wrote on January the 30th. It is a public post that you can find on my Patreon. It is pretty much all trade alerts that I made from December the 1st to January the 30th. These are the results of these alerts. You can see that all of the trades were in profit except this one on December 19th. TRWV hit a stop loss order, and we've lost about 1.33% on this trade, but all other trades are in green. That is why you can use these trades in your personal trades as a part of your due diligence. So guys, you've seen many of my trade calls, all delivering strong returns in just hours. Now it's your turn to trade smarter. Join my Safe Haven Patreon tier, built for traders who want consistency, structure, and real results. You will get a detailed plan to protect your portfolio, monthly one-on-one Zoom sessions with me, and private Discord access with all trade alerts, lessons, and exclusive updates. And here is the best part. If you don't earn more than your subscription price within 30 days, you will receive a full refund, no question asked, as long as your trading account balance is at least $2,500 and you've taken all the recommended trades during the period. No excuses, no fine print. You profit or you don't pay. Join today and let's start building your edge in the market.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And guys, on today's video, I will show you what is the news that might drive the price of NBIS higher. What is the major price target for the top of the Wave 5 and how you can benefit out of its movements. And first of all, let's begin with the general sentiment related to NBIS stock. And to find it out, you have to type in Google search bar NBIS stock and switch to News tab folder. And you will find several most recent news. First of all, I want to pay attention to this one. NBIS stock jumps overnight as Nvidia reveals over 9% stake. Analysts sees more upside. And as you can see, the key bullets are following. Nvidia beneficially owns 22.25 million Class A ordinary shares of NBIS, according to a new Nvidia filing on Monday. NBIS stock has gained for 2 consecutive sessions. Stock tweet sentiment for NBIS was extremely bullish as of late Monday. And this is definitely a very bullish news because the leader of the industry, of the semiconductor industry, has a substantial amount of shares of NBIS stock. On top of that, several analytic firms reiterate its price target on NBIS Freedom Capital upgrades NBIS stock on valuation methodology. And here you can see that they set the price target to $200, and they raised this price target to $200 from $159. On top of that, it is not the end. Another company, wait a second, Northland raised its price target on NBIS Group to $410 from an undisclosed prior level. And guys, these two updates alone added even more bullish pressure on NBIS stock for the last trading session. And despite this fact, guys, yesterday NBIS had, wait a second, I will show you right here, NBIS had just a sideways movement. It didn't break the level of $179. As you can see, these two bottoms was the double bottom pattern. And during the overnight and after market session, this asset went up from this swing low and it gained more than 8% to its value. For now, as you can see, it is scratching its previous swing high, this top, and I believe that on today's session it will break this level and it will go higher. And let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, first of all, let me show you the price targets, the average price targets from analytic firms. And as you can see, 14 analysts set their price targets. We don't have the highest price target of $410, which means the average price target is also a little bit lower than we have it right now. But even this number of $257 is much higher than the current price. It is it might be up to 41.16% of upside potential. And definitely I'm leaning towards more bullish scenario for NBIS. And let me show you from the technical standpoint what do I see on the price chart right now. So guys, we have this bottom, and from this top for now we have this as a perfect contender to be the bottom of the C wave. And it will be the bottom of wave 4, which will be the beginning of a new uptrend. Let me show you that we have to see 5-wave structure to the upside, and then it will be just a part of this movement. And this movement will be just the beginning of new uptrend to hit this top of the wave 5. And this movement to the downside, this ABC correction, you know that C wave should have 5-wave structure. Previously I could count 5 waves into this bottom, but it was very ugly in this type, in this range. But for now we can clearly identify these 5 waves: 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, which means guys, this is the perfect contender to be the bottom of wave 4, and from this bottom we might have the beginning of new uptrend. So how high this asset might go? Let me zoom out to, let's say, 4 hours time frame. Let's delete some unnecessary tools just to clean the chart a little bit. And yes, I want to clean this one as well. And if my assumption is correct and we've completed wave 3 on this scale at this top, and we have an extension in the B wave, and this is the bottom of wave 4, we can project the price target that potentially might be the crucial price target for wave 5. First of all, let me delete this scale, I don't need it anymore. Let's zoom out even further to 6 hours time frame, and from this bottom to this top we have to pull a fib extension tool right here, and then we have to pull it to the bottom of the contender of the wave 4. And guys, this is the price target 0.786. This is the most common price target for wave 5. Definitely it is it implies an amazing upside potential from the current price of about 100%, with a downside potential of just 18%. Definitely very good risk to reward ratio, but first of all we have to confirm on a smaller scale that this is the bottom. We have to see 5-wave structure to the upside that should be followed by 3 waves retracement, and then it will be just the beginning of wave 1 of wave 5 of the scale. That is why, guys, I believe that NBIS will break all these swing highs, and the more breakouts happen, the more likely we are in this uptrend. Definitely, it is a very good fundamental company, and definitely you can rely on this stock as a contender to be in your investment portfolio. So I think that's all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm back.